In this section, we are going through a very important topic. We are going to explain buffer overflow. And this is one of the very advanced and technical topic in penetration testing. And if you give some attention to this section and you do a lot of practicing, you're going to add to yourself some very good skills when it comes to penetration testing. Because most of the vulnerabilities that they found right now and most of the exploitation are related to buffer overflow. And you'll be able to do that yourself. You'll be able to create your own exploit. So it's a very, very important topic, and it will also add to you some skills like how to verify or how to work with memory. You're going to understand more the memory structure and where is data is saved and how it works and where is the critical area in memory. Let me start by explaining what is buffer overflow. Now, I'm going to start by a specific program. Buffer overflow, it's a weakness inside the application that allow user to get advantage of the memory. So, for instance, if we are using an application like calculator and you write down any number here, so you write down like a number like this, and you place on plus sign, where this number will be saved? Will it be saved on the hard drive? No, it will not. It will be saved inside your memory in a place called variable. And this will, it's a predefined location. So the programmer who created the calculator did identify some location in memory with a specific size and allow user to save information there. So if you like click on plus and you put like 66, this will be saved in another location. And then you click on equal, so he will take the amount on the first variable and add it to the amount of the second variable and give you the value. So my point is, whatever you are writing on the calculator, this will be saved inside memory, not on your hard drive. Now those places which we refer to as variables, those has been predefined while creating the calculator application, and those actually have a specific size. So whoever creates the calculator application did identify a size. For instance, the size of this variable should not exceed 100 characters, assuming that who will ever write a number that consists of more than 100 characters. So if you write any number, definitely it should be less than 100 characters. Now, what will happen if you write a number that is more than 100 characters? So you put your hand like this and you start writing number, and you put, instead of putting 100, you put 1000. So in this case, this amount of number will be sent to the variable to be saved that inside the memory. If the program is well written, it will not accept that. Like the calculator, if you try to put more than like 10 or 20 characters, he will not accept. So there is some limit. So see, after a while, it will not start accept. But some of application has not been verified, the input has not been validated. So someone can send more information than the capacity of the variable. So they are sending, for instance, 2000 characters inside a variable that can only have up to like 20 characters. So what will happen in this case? As I told you, if the program is well written and the input is validated, it will refuse to accept that. But if the program is not validated and it's not well written, it will take those values and put them inside the variable. Now what happens is the variable can only have up to 10 or 20 characters. Where is the meaning of the character will be sent? It will be sent randomly in different places inside the memory. So this is the buffer overflow, that you send more information to a specific location that has a small capacity and you can overflow inside memory. So what is the advantage of doing that? If you do that, there is some location in memory that if you send something to them or information will be overflow on those specific location, it will execute whatever you ask them. So you tell them execute this payload, it will execute the payload. Give me access on the machine, it will give you. So the objective here is to use this buffer overflow, which is a weakness inside the application, to get an advantage or to get access to a specific location in memory that will obey to whatever you're going to ask. So you can ask them to do anything on the computer, it will be done. So we're going to see that in action in the upcoming couple of videos.